Let's read. I go first. You come after me. Here we go. Rainy season is finally here. So, rainy season isn't all bad. But you do know what comes after rainy season, right? It's going to be so hot this year. But I don't like jellyfish. I love summer treats. Okay, go back up top. You go first, I come after you, okay? Ready? Go. I don't like rainy season that much because we can't go out and play, but the flowers, trees, and plants are happy. There is some good in it too. That's right, summer! I love summer because I can go to the beach. They're scary. Kakigori and watermelon are my favorites. Okay guys, great job. Talk to you later. Bye.